Back with the Civic truck, and today we are going to be making a snorkel. Here's what we're working with, guys. This is my Bronco battery. This is too big for this Civic, but we're gonna make work. So this all needs to come out, all this. Done this before, but it's been a few years. We actually did it to a Civic as well. First one we did PVC like this, out here, out the side, up the side, up the side to the top. That seemed to work well. We don't need that anymore. We will be using this piece here because it's just a good connection piece if we need it, but we're not going to need that part, but we will use this. So we're going to connect to our airbox here. As you can see, it's a little dirty. We're going to have to open the filter up 100%. I might even get a new filter because we're going to seal this. The filter we're going to seal with silicone, and it'll never be changed again because this car is not going to live to see a new air filter. There's our intake, but we're going to keep the filter on it so it runs through some filter before it goes into the engine in case some dust does get into the snorkel itself. So I'm going to go ahead and crack this open and we'll see how bad this is. Oh, not bad at all. Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Thankfully, you see the difference there? So obviously before the filter, after the filter, it looks like we've actually got barely anything inside, which is good because look at this side of the filter. It's freaking brutal. All right, so we'll get a new filter. We'll take this with us. Damn, that's so clean on that side. That's good. I guess that's why they use filters. Better to just keep this box. So we'll go from here and we'll kind of figure it out from there. I'm gonna have to tie all this shite out of the way now. Just over here or something. This is a classic here. Back in the Snorky.
Go back.
All right, so we got a new filter. It's mint. We got 2-inch ABS, 490s, 245s, and a drain. Looks sick, but I think this should work out pretty well. We got all the other stuff for it too. Start by putting this guy in, and we're gonna silly this probably shut just in case.
Yeah.
You can't let any water in there.
And on top.
Yeah, because this is literally gonna go underwater.
It's gonna be submarine.
Like actually, it actually will, like over the hood. No lie. So we gotta actually make sure this is watertight.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. She's on. Maybe we go a little further so we can bead this fully.
Sure.
And then we go to like 11.
Maybe. Maybe Sawzall's better.
That's mint.
Nice.
Money? Is it tight?
Okay. Oh yeah.
Look at that guy. You gotta work through the muck.
It's buried.
I can't even see the metal. Okay, there you go. Holy muck in there.
First piece.
If your Civic doesn't look like that, like come on. You do it, bro. Yeah.
Not off-roading.
That's full show 400.
What are all these bolts on?
Oh, there you go.
Avalanche.
All right, we wailed on it. Let's see. So this is no cutting to the frame. Oh,
With a bolt, that'll be like nice and snug. Oh.
Oh, is it clean?
It's pretty good.
Okay, so just performance things you guys wouldn't understand. The viewers wouldn't get it.
Just like your tripod.
Oh, dude.
You guys got a boat, but a $1 tripod.
Oh, that's the way.
That's effort.
Yeah, that is freaking straight. Power tools. That's why they make them, you know. How's that?
My arm was vibrating.
Dawson's going rogue with the saws. Dude, you're good. Just make sure it's straight. Dude, that's clean. That's clean. It's better than my cuts. You?
Nasty?
We got this strap. It's mint black bolts. This is all
We're going back to the old
pristine.
method with this angle.
So this is from this like the stock connector I showed earlier. That comes back in handy because like we can make any angle we want. Versus the 45 is just too steep. And obviously the 90 is too steep. So the 45 like shoots like that. So we want to keep this right up the door here and then right to the
roof rack.
So it's pretty mint. We can actually hose clamp this. There's a perfect section for it. Hose clamp, silicone, and then silicone this side. And then the rest of the angles we'll use up top to face our snorkel away from front. Because last time we had the snorkel this way and we sprayed mud directly into the snorkel, which is fine. It has a filter, but it's just better to just get air in there and nothing else. So we're gonna do another strap. It's actually freaking mint though. Beauty. We don't have to paint it this time.
Yeah,
we
it's
used
nice.
PVC last time.
Yeah.
So ABS is just where it's at. Dawson's
Silicone it up.
Big plumber.
Yeah. Plumbing out here.
Big plumbus?
Big plumbus.
All right, Snorky's looking unreal. So we got some straps to it, bolted, self-tap to the Civic. We got our nozzle up here pointed in and down, which is good. If it rains, it doesn't matter. As you guys can see, we got a little drain on it. That's mint. It's all finalized. We're just gotta silicone our filter, bolt that on, and then Dawson's just siliconing this. I'll also throw a hose clamp.
Around
But-
there, around there.
It's literally mint. Like that piece comes from the Civic, so it's free and it fits perfect. Again, 2-inch ABS using 490s, no 45s. That's what this is. You don't need 45s. We got it zapped up here too with like heavy duty ones, not the dollar store. Those ain't no dollar store ones, brother. Not like we're gonna need to open it.
Until we do. Then you just
Cut it. I don't know if it'll stay like that. I want to come over top a bit or.
Yeah, it'll probably wiggle down a bit, but.
Yeah, oh my, this fits like a glove and we just go to town on it. Man,
Unreal.
we're good.
Kind of matching the angle of the roll cage too.
It's looking better than our last one.
It's facts.
Second time.
Always facts. We're going for functional,
Like, yeah.
not beauty.
Functional bed on the back. Too.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's like a vacuum.
I can hear it up there. Sweet. She's ready. She's ready to go roof deep. So I'm happy to do this because now we can actually take it out and not be worried. Because it was almost hydro locking every time I took it out to stave. Yeah. And there's the final product. All this stuff shut. It looks really good. It does look funny because it's not like up the seam here. But we have the roof rack and it's man. We needed that extra little bit for performance purposes. But it looks wicked. I'm not gonna paint anything, I don't need to. But it looks sweet, like that, the roof rack, the truck bed. It's definitely fitting the vibe. I'm pretty happy with how it's turned out. We'll definitely have to go use it now. We'll take my dad picked up a trailer, we're gonna throw it on there and take it out. We'll get it back out in the mud, and I actually wanna go like dead serious this deep. like actually, like I actually want to see if it can survive that. So make sure you guys keep up with the channel. You're not going to want to miss that. Like, I need a snorkel inside of it as well. Those ducks will be floating, dude, when I'm done. That's the goal. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you stick with the channel and check out the Snorky in action. Catch you next time.